Is your customer list in QuickBooks a mess with multiple entries for the same company? If merging duplicates feels like a risky operation you'd rather avoid, you're not alone. Today, we're safely merging duplicate customer profiles in QuickBooks. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. Merging customers combines all transactions and data from one profile into another, eliminating duplicates and cleaning up your records. The prerequisite: choose the keeper. First, decide which customer profile you want to keep. This should be the one with the most complete and accurate information. The other duplicate entry will be merged into this one and then deleted. The simple process: use the Merge tool. In QuickBooks Online, go to the Customers list. Check the boxes next to the duplicate customers you want to merge. Then, click Batch Actions and select Merge. QuickBooks will guide you through selecting the customer you wish to keep. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: back up your company file first. Especially in QuickBooks Desktop, always create a backup of your company file before performing a merge. This gives you a safety net to restore from if anything goes wrong. In QuickBooks Online, the action is generally safe, but a backup is still a good practice. So, just like that, you can maintain a clean and professional customer database. An organized list goes a long way in running accurate reports and providing great service. Now I'm curious, what's the most common cause of duplicates in your QuickBooks? Data import typos or manual entry errors? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.